What is up, Old Souls fam? It's Brad. We got a quick little project we're going to work on. I think it's going to be pretty cool. I'm not sure how it's going to look. My buddy, COB_SZ on Instagram has it in his Del Sol, and I think they're super dope. So I had to get some, and we're going to get it installed today. So let's start. All right, guys. So these are those aluminum chrome rings. I know what you're saying. Chrome rings, bro. Get the fuck out of here. I'm telling you, this is going to look dope when I'm done. So what he did was he took these bad boys. He sprayed them with, I think he used black. I'm using the Universal Black Metallic from Duplicolor. The same color that I did the EM1 rims with in a way long ago video. And I've done some other stuff with it too. I really like the metallic and the sheen that comes off that. So that's what we're doing today. This Dido Tuning Company, they have a YouTube video that I haven't watched yet. I gotta watch a YouTube video to make this YouTube video. That's a weird thing. But I'm going to show you guys how to do this, what it's going to look like when they're all done, and hopefully it looks good. I don't know. We'll see. These guys, I think they make a whole bunch of stuff is what it looks like. I legit can only find these in Poland, and they're on eBay. I'll put the link down in the description below. They took forever to get here, like a month and a half, maybe 2 months. And eBay said they were going to be here way sooner. But I think it's just the logistics of coming from Poland to Nebraska. It's a long fucking ways away. But I haven't found them anywhere else. If I do, I'll link them down below. But yeah, these are pretty cool. And we're going to make them look even cooler. Okay, so you get 2 little rings and 2 big rings. Now that I see what this really is, boy, I overpaid for these bad boys. That is a lot of fucking money for some milled aluminum, maybe. I mean, it is real metal, but man, it was like 49 Polish whatever. I don't even know what their currency is, but it ended up being like $31 US, and it is a ripoff. But I guess that's what we pay for stuff for the Del Sol. I guess, I don't know. It is what it is, but it's gonna look cool. I don't really care. All right, let's do this. During this video, if you see any animals roaming around or a tiny human, that's my mini-me Owen over there. We're hanging out today. We're doing Del Sol stuff. Hey, Owen! Hey! Are you going to help me do Del Sol stuff? Well, guess I'm on my own, guys. Hey, Owen. What? Does that smell bad? Yeah. Ugh, smells bad. So, I don't know, guys. I just got to do a lot of coats because you don't really coat much of these rings with the spray, unfortunately. So, I don't know. It is what it is. All the dogs are sneezing. We're sneezing. We got to go back upstairs. So, we'll just keep chugging along here, boys. so I got about, I don't know, 8 or 9 coats on these guys. They're pretty coated. I think I got them from all sides, but yeah, I don't know. We will pick this up probably tomorrow. I'm going to let these sit real good. I'm not going to do a clear or anything on them. I don't want them to be like, I don't know why I said that, but I'm just not going to clear them. But we'll pick this back up tomorrow maybe. I'll re-pull the bezel and the gauge cluster out of the car for the 9th million time in the last like month. And I'll watch the YouTube video and we'll get them installed. And we'll see how they look. Alrighty, we are back. I got everything all painted. It looks good. Rings look nice and shiny metallic here. So these, you can see, they just line up. 2 small ones, 2 big ones. They're going in there. Let's see if this looks good. I don't really know, but we're going to try it out. Alright, so I'm not going to show you how to take this all apart. You guys have seen me take this all apart a million times. So I'm going to get that all out, and then we're going to go from there. Alright, I've got my trusty helpers here, but they're not really helping much. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, so I got all this out. Super easy. I don't know. Took me like a minute because I've done it 900 times now. So how these work is these go inside all of these, and then you flip it over and you have to push these little like small little lips, like they push over to hold in place. So I'm going to put the camera down and I'm going to show you guys that. Okay, so, okay. That was surprisingly difficult. It's hard, I think, in general, because the rings are the exact hole diameter, and then I have my bezel overlay on it as well, and I probably didn't line it up like 100%, but it made it just more difficult to get it, like, exactly into the spot. And then you have to push little nubs into there to get it to hold like that. But I like how it looks, though. It looks pretty dope, I think. Came out pretty clean. I think if you get enough coats of paint on there, you don't have to worry about scratching. I didn't see any scratching. I saw some scratching on the backside here just from me, like, wiggling it in there and whatnot, and a little bit of paint came off on the underside of it, but I think I got it on there pretty good. So I like it. I think it's gonna look cool. So let's get it back on the cluster and see what it looks like. That's pretty legit. I really like it. It turned out really cool. Let me show you guys. Okay, so I think that turned out super legit. I mean, really cool. It looks like that's how they should have made it. I mean, seriously. I really wish they would have done that in the first place, just because it looks so awesome. Dang, I like it a lot. Okay, sweet. Cool upgrade. Worth it. Worth all the problems. How do you get it in there and everything? That's super legit. Let me know down in the comments below if you think it's legit or not. I think it's pretty cool. It's not OEM, so Honda purists might whatever. But it's pretty fucking tits, guys. I like it. So you'll probably see it up on Instagram and Reddit and whatnot. But yeah, pretty easy. Cost $30. The can of paint was 11, so I don't know. All in, you're at $45 or whatever. But it's pretty cool. I like it a lot. I think the cluster is all done. LEDs, bezel overlay, and the rings. There's not much I got to do to this. Is there anything? No. I think I'm done. One thing on the OldSols is done. That's amazing. So give you guys one more good look at that. But all right, guys. Until next time. Peace.